Morning YouTube. So I got a call today for a bank. There's only 2 units. A little smaller unit over here, I believe, serves the teller area. 7, 8, yeah, it's probably about a 6-ton. And this would probably, I would assume, be for the lobby. About 120,000 BTU. That's probably 10-ton unit. So the smaller unit should serve that teller area. This video is pretty much just back to the basics, more for junior techs that are coming up. First things first, I went downstairs, took a look at the thermostat. It's at set point. The complaint was the other day when it got hot in the middle of the day, just wasn't keeping up. So came up here to the roof. First thing I always take a look at is your power, incoming power. See if you got anything. And I noticed right away that board, none of the LEDs are lit up. So we'll check the power first and see what we got. All right, guys. So took a look at the power. Should be getting 480 volts, and I'm getting nothing between all the phases. So once you figure out you're not getting any power supply, come directly to, I'm gonna shut that off. Go directly to the disco, and we'll check those fuses real quick. Then we'll jump onto the line side, see what we got. Okay, guys. So we took a look at the fuses. All 3 of those fuses are good. On the line side, I'm not getting anything across the phases. So next thing I'll check real quick is we'll make sure on these motors you've got 5 motors in all, 2 condenser fans, a blower, and 2 compressors. Make sure real quick nothing's grounded on those, and then I'll go look for the breaker, see if it's tripped or if it's actually in the off position. So it can be your compressor 1, compressor 2, and your blower motor. The blower motor's on a double pole contactor. The 3rd phase is on the main incoming power block. So you just want to make sure between A, B, C, and AC that you're getting that you're getting the same general type of resistance across the phases. So if you're getting 1.3 between A and B, you need to be getting that throughout between A, C, and B and C. So just something to remember. Single phase is going to be a little bit different. I guess we could do a basic video sometime on that in the near future on how to determine between common start run if your single phase motors are good. But I'm guessing somebody probably switched the breaker by mistake, so we need to find that main and see what's going on. Alright, guys, so we figured out what was going on. Went downstairs, breaker was literally shut off. I was talking to the bank teller down here. She says maybe possibly they're putting in some printers or some equipment for the bank. Might have mistaken that breaker, which serves this unit, to be a panel breaker or something like that. So honest mistake. I got it turned back on. I ran the unit and heard the blower belt flapping around. So came, look at the pulley. Pulley's in bad shape. So we're gonna go ahead and replace that, as well as put in a brand new belt. Here's a slick little tool. If you guys don't have one of these, a little dial caliper, you could use a measuring tape to figure out what size pulley you need for the bore and the diameter of the pulley. But I like this, man. This is slick. You just turn it on right there. That little LED display will tell you what size you need, according to the distance of this caliper. So I need a 7/8 bore. All right, guys. So we're putting in a brand new pulley. That old one, it just been a pain in the butt. Tried to pull it off by the sheave, and it just broke. So I just broke it down the rest of the way and pulled it out. The new one, it's the right size. It's just sometimes they're a little difficult to put back on. Don't go banging on that with a metal hammer or pliers or anything like that, because you're gonna ruin that pulley. Your mallet is gonna be your best friend. So in this instance, I'm gonna go ahead and use it. Easy. Didn't ruin my pulley, and I got it on. So Utilize good tools, man. All right, we're just about ready to get this unit turned over. I had to pull this whole tray out just to line up that. I had to line up the pulley a little bit better, so I had to bring this out just a hair so it'll line up with this this blower sheath pulley. But now we're lined up. Got a brand new belt on there. I undid these zip ties, just clipped them off, put everything back, put some new zip ties on, make sure none of these wires are running, so it should be in good shape. Go ahead and start it up. Okay, now I got that blower motor going. It's rated for 6.8. I've got a service factor of 1.15. So we are well below that. That's good. I'm gonna stay with that. Got 5.8 and 5.9, 6 amps. Yeah, let's go with that. That's more or less where the original pulley was lined up. We're not overamping. We're good there. We'll just check the charge and adjust it accordingly. That's it. Thanks for watching.